YouTube, what's going on? We are back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Vechain, and with Vechain, the areas that we're looking at, as you guys can see here, I kind of got this thing a little bit marked up here, so we're going to be going over why I have this marked. As you guys can see here, this area is marked because we have the 618 coming in for this little golden zone swing failure of the lows to the upside, come back to the upside. But all in all, if I'm being honest with you guys, oh yeah, we have some other markers over here. And if I'm being honest with you guys, we do have Bitcoin that is just on an absolute tear. And what does that mean for the other coins? As you guys can see, all the coins except this stupid one right here is in the green. So that's why we have to watch out for what is going to possibly happen to the other coins. Bitcoin is determining what all the other coins are doing. And so how does that play into Vechain? So we're going to go over all of this. Just go ahead and run this really quickly. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. So first things first, let's go ahead and go over what it is that we are looking at for as far as to the downside, right? We're going to go over the upside as well, where could Vechain be headed. But for the most part, let's just start with here. And the reason why, again, we have this here is let's assume that, let's just go ahead and redraw all this. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we are working on bots in my Discord. So you guys can see here, we've got all these updates and stuff like that from indicators. So we do have an indicator that basically is longing all of the lows here. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, again, make sure you guys sign up to Bybit down below, and then message me once you go to the Discord, message me once you have signed up to Bybit and deposited and all that fun stuff, and then we'll send you the link to our indicator. And let's see if we can get yeah, we'll show the proof later, but anyways, let's go ahead and pull this. So again, if this was actually the high right there, right, we do have the 618 coming in right about here. So this 977777777, and I would say that we could look there for a nice little turnaround, but before that, I would be looking more for this around like the 10 11 cent mark, because you could have a situation to where you guys can see this coming up. It does this, it comes down, takes out the lows, and then pops back up, and then does this. Does that mean we're going to come down, take out the lows, and then pop back up and just continue on this little path that we've got going on here like that? That's something that we have to look out for, right? So in order to, yeah, so we're just looking out for that area, and if that fails and we do start to come all the way down, this is the next area that we're going to look at. And again, we're just going to take this level to level. In these short little videos, I don't expect, unless some type of crazy volume happens, I do not expect us to go past these levels. And if we do get that volume in, again, that's why you're going to head over to the Discord, join the Bybit, and just stay tuned over there, because that's where we're doing the most. Like I said, we're also, like I already said, we're doing bot development. We're working with Octobot, Alertatron, 3 commas, all that fun stuff to start to try to figure out different strategies to run on bots. And so if you are somebody who codes in PineScript, C#, C++, if you're into Python, any of that stuff, just join us, let us know, and then join us on some of these calls, because we're basically working day in and day out on trying to figure out how to create the best strategies to let bots run. So there's that. And then to the upside, right? To the upside, let's get rid of all this madness. To the upside, let's just go ahead and say around here for a possible swing failure. I don't want to make this video too long, but it's very, very simple. Again, we have our 618 right here. We almost touched it, but I would say swing failure of these highs coming into around here would be an area to look out for. But again, it depends on if Bitcoin's going to have a massive, massive break to the upside. Even though it didn't already, I would have assumed Bitcoin would have had its major, major move to the upside, but it didn't. So we'll just kind of have to see how that goes. for now. So I'd say that this is the area number 1 that we need to look out for a swing failure pattern, and this is area number 2 that we have to look out for a swing failure pattern. But for the most part, I would say let's start to look around this area, this little boxed area right here. So that'll do it for today's video in between here and here. So that'll do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you on the next one.